Thank you so much, Technical Discussion with Amit and Daresh, for joining us as a member. If you are also interested to support us, click the join button and join us as a member. Membership starts at 29 rupees only. Your support will help us to turn on the lights of V.I Tech Academy. Hello guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can trim any videos from any point to any point with complete accessibility. Yes friends, if you have a smartphone and TalkBack, you can easily trim any video from any points to any point by just watching this video. Or those who are interested to create videos and edit videos, they should watch this video till the end. Don't skip any single second because every second is important. So guys, without further delay, let's start. We will be talking about the video trimming feature of AudioLab. First of all, you have to download and install this application. The link to download this application is available in the video description box as well as on our official WhatsApp channel. If you wish to connect us, you can join us on WhatsApp and Telegram. Links are given in the video description below. You can also find the WhatsApp channel link at the pinned comment section. I have already downloaded and I have opened my application. Now let me find the feature called Trim Video.
Acapella, Trim Video, row 18, column 1.
So this is the feature of Trim Video. So let me open this.
Start recording, video gallery.
And next I need to choose one video first.
Sort, fold, sort, all video, image preview, vid 20,241,000.
So I'm choosing this video.
Start recording, AudioLab.
Now the video is loaded. Let's see what's the interface. I'm just swiping from left to right.
Vid 20,241,000.
This is the video name.
Play video. Button.
So play option is there.
0-100 hours.
This is the current duration.
/101.
So 1 minute 1 second. This is the video.
Select trim duration range. Start duration. End duration. Edit option. List.
So it is asking you to enter the start duration and end duration, but we will move our cursor and based on that we'll do it. Okay?
Video range duration slider. Slider.
No, this is not for us.
0.0. Video range duration slider. Range start 0.
So
Slider.
range start 0.
61,366.0. Video range duration slider. Range end 61,366.
So
Slider.
this is the range end. If you wish, you can choose that, but this is not so useful for us sometimes. I'll show you the best method, so keep watching.
0%. Video
0%?
decrease left slide.
Yes,
Button.
decrease left slide. So you have two slides, left and right. Left, which means the left marker, right means the right marker. Okay, so first you need to play the video and then choose what you want to cut or what you want to delete or trim, what portion you want to trim or delete. So it's better to trim because if you delete the videos, the remaining part will be saved. So small video portions will be saved. Okay, so see.
0 hours. Increase left slide. Button.
Increase left side, which means it will increase by 1 second. See,
1 second.
1 second is selected. If you want to change, you can change it. I'm not doing. Next,
0 hours. 1. Increase right slide.
increase
Button.
right slide.
Move left. Move right slide to it. Move left slide to start.
Move
Button.
left slide to start. This should be always selected, and
Move right slide to
move
end.
right
Button.
side to end. This is the same options which is also available for the audio editing feature. The same feature you can use for video cutting and video editing. Okay, so next is
Play.
play is there.
Move left slide to playing.
Move
Button.
left side to playing and
Move right
move
slide to playing.
right side to playing. Okay, so for example, in my case, I want to delete the video at the first part, which means from the beginning I want to start my trim duration. I mean delete the video and till a certain portion. So let me show you how you can how we can do that. Okay, so first of all, I need to
Move right slide to playing.
move right slide to playing.
play.
No,
Move right slide to
end, so that the complete video is selected.
Play.
Now let me play the video first. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one of my instrument played video which I have recorded yesterday. So now let me start this video again. And till now I want to cut. Okay, as I already heard, like 1, 2, 3, 4. This section will be there, but before that, till before I want to cut. So now I have just paused. Okay, first I have started the video, I have played the video, and where I want to cut. Okay, till which I want to delete, till which portion I want to delete, I just pause. Then I just find the button move right slide to playing.
Move right slide to playing.
This one,
button.
Just double tap here. Now my portion, whatever portion I want to select, I have selected. Just I am playing.
Play.
See, only this portion is selected, not only the audio, the complete video. Next, I can easily do the whatever I want. Okay, for example, if you want to cut a portion from middle to end, let's suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you want to cut this from your video. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you need to stop and click on move left slide to playing, and again play. Stop after this, and then click on move right slide to playing, so that this portion, that portion will be selected, and next you need to delete that portion. So here what I am doing is I am just delete the portion. If I want to trim, I need to select the main area. Okay, main area of the poem. Okay, if I want to trim out, so trim out is good for me, but for now I'm just deleting.
Move
this.
left, move right, selected, trim, not selected, delete,
So I'm just doing
selected,
delete.
not, vid 20, save, button,
And now I'm just clicking on save button.
estimated time left on top, start recording on bottom, copying video to movies on top, start recording on bottom.
So now my video is saved. If I want to edit another part of that video, of trimmed video, trim means deleted part or anything, I can easily do it. Guys, you may hear some other noises, other sounds. Please avoid them. Okay, I can easily do this, but for now I'm not doing. Let me open Google Files and I'll show you whether it is okay or not.
Over. Files by internal storage.
Okay, now see.
Video trim just now. Select video trim just
Video
now.
trim just now, so I'm just opening this
Vid
folder
20
and
mil-
see.
Vid 20,241,209,215,055 October 12th, 2024 195116 546 MP4
Okay, let me play this
140.
video.
Start recording. 20,200. Stop recording. 11 minutes. 34. Stop recording. Button. Stop recording. Start recording. Internal
Sorry?
selected.
Yeah,
Video
so
trim.
you know, now you can understand that I can easily cut the required portion from my video. Now I can easily do more edits or whatever I want, I can do using other applications. So this is how you can easily trim out any segment from your video or delete any segment from your video with TalkBack. That's it guys for the day. If you find this content useful, like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this. Guys, we are uploading daily quizzes at 8 p.m. So don't forget to miss. Click on the shorts section to learn more. If you want to join our courses, visit our website from the about page of our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.